name is Chris Jones. I'm the Managing Director of DK Jones Limited here in Middlesbrough. We're currently undergoing a major renovation and scaling project for the company. One of the key solutions to that was these vertical lift storage machines that you see behind us from Randex. In them we are hoping to get something like 90 tonnes of small material, which will enable us to clear a huge amount of floor space for larger parts for the future growth of the company. These new machines each has a floor area of approximately 9 square metres. We've got 4 of them, and we're expecting them to take the equivalent of a tenth of the floor area that the parts were previously taking. Over the last few years we've been looking at our scaling possibilities and potentially moving to a new bigger site to help reinforce and enable that growth. But the cost had become prohibitive, so we've looked to remain in our existing location, a 100,000 square foot area here in Middlesbrough, and to enable the growth that we want, we've needed to look at solutions to increase the amount of storage we can do here in our warehouse. The Randex machines you see behind me are a massive part of that. We've been able to store 90 tonnes of material in a fraction of the space that we had before. So we've been able to do what we want for a fraction of the cost, which ultimately means we can do more in the space we have and increase our stock, and that will further enable and expedite our growth. We looked at multiple options across the market from different providers and different manufacturers. Randex gave us the best combination of price to weight per shelf ratio and floor area that would be taken up, which, given we have a huge number of different steel parts and a huge different weight variation as well, was really important to us. We didn't want to be maxing out the shelf weight before the shelf itself was full. From quotation to working out the spec of the machine that we finally came to, the support we've had from Randex has been brilliant. The installation team were great. They came in, got on with the work, and it was really impressive to see day to day how the machines were going up. The software on the machines has been very intuitive for the team here in the warehouse, and they've got to grips with it really quickly, which is fantastic. So once we're a little bit further along with our major renovations in the warehouse, we're hoping to bring in at least 2 more Randex machines. We've seen the benefit from them already, and that is a no-brainer for us in terms of investment. We're expecting as well to increase the height of the existing machines as well to get even more benefit from the ones we've already got. So if somebody came to me asking about vertical storage machines, I would absolutely sing the praises of them. They are been hugely beneficial for our business even at this early stage, and the help and support we've had from Randex has been fantastic as well.